In this video, I wanted to take a quick look at the Galaxy S22 Ultra, the latest flagship phone from Samsung that blends the best features of the S and Note series devices into one phone. It is the first S-series device to feature the S Pen, which, as always, has improved sensitivity and accuracy, reduced latency, improved handwriting recognition that lets you digitize your handwriting in a moment, remote camera control, and it has some other cool features that I'll cover in my detailed review. That means that you can have all the Note-related features without buying one, but keep in mind that the S22 Ultra is a big and hefty device. Not only it has to accommodate a superb quality 6.8-inch QHD Plus display that can now reach the brightness of up to 1750 nits, but also the phone has the slot for the S Pen, just like the Note series. During my brief time with the S22 Ultra, I found it to be pretty comfortable to hold due to rounded edges, but I'm not sure if it's going to be the phone for me due to its sheer size. I'm a little bit tired of these massive phones, but we'll see. I need to spend more time with the device and I might change my mind. The phone comes in a variety of colors. I spend most of the time with a white model, but I think that the burgundy and green colors also look nice. All of the colors use matte coating to camouflage at least some of the fingerprints. The build quality is the usual Samsung. Top-notch materials like strengthened aluminum chassis, Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on the front and rear, and excellent craftsmanship. The phone looks and feels like a premium piece of kit. As you would expect from a Samsung flagship, the S22 Ultra ships with bleeding-edge specifications, starting with the Exynos 2200 CPU in the EU and other countries and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in the US and China. The maxed-out model has 1TB of storage that is paired up with 12GB of RAM, so expect a flagship-grade performance no matter what you do with the device. A 5000 mAh battery supports 45 watts fast charging, and hopefully it will last a full day even for heavy users. The camera system remains similar to what we've seen on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, but the main 108MP shooter now uses slightly bigger pixels, 2 times faster NPU, and there are quite a few software enhancements to improve stills and video quality. For instance, the phone uses AI-based autofocus, super steady system, and super HDR. All of these fancy marketing names promise to deliver improved low-light stills image and video recording by reducing noise and bringing more detail. Also, the new auto frame rate feature automatically adjusts the optimal frame rate according to your surrounding light conditions. Same as last year, we have one 3 times and another 10 times optical zoom lens, as well as the ultra-wide shooter. This camera system requires a lot more time to test out, so make sure to stay tuned to the TechLine channel. At the time of making this video, I couldn't provide the exact pricing and availability, but as you would expect from the top of the line from Samsung, the S22 Ultra will probably cost over 1200 euros in the EU. Tell me in the comment section what you think about the Galaxy S22 Ultra and if you like Samsung's idea of blending the Note and S-series devices into one phone. It was Linus, thank you for watching and see you in the next video soon.